Sa example number 2, a two-start trapezoidal screw is used in a screw jack to raise a load of 300 kN. The screw has nominal diameter as 100 mm, pitch as 12 mm, and helix angle half-thread angle of 15 degree. Coefficient of friction in screw threads is 0.15, neglecting collar friction. Calculate torque required to raise the load, torque required to lower the load, and screw efficiency. So, first we must define the given. Ang start natin is 2. Ang weight natin is 300 times 10 raised to 3 Newton. Ang diameter natin is 100 mm. Ang pitch natin is 12 mm. Since this is half-thread angle, so 2 times 15 degree is equals to 30 degree. And our coefficient of friction is equals to 0.15. So, we must first find the torque to raise the load. And 2 is torque to lower the load. And 3 is screw efficiency. Ang formula ng torque to raise the load is equals to effort to raise the load times mean diameter divided by 2. Wherein ang formula ng effort to raise the load is equals to weight times tan visual angle of friction plus helix angle. Ang formula naman ng torque to lower the load, same lang, pero this is effort to lower the load times mean diameter divided by 2, wherein ang formula ng effort to lower the load is weight times tan visual angle of friction. Dito naman, minus helix angle. Formula ng screw efficiency is equals to ideal effort required to raise the load, or we can say P or I all over actual effort applied to raise the load against thread function, or we can say PR. Ang formula ng ideal effort required to raise the load is weight times tan helix angle all over weight times tan visual angle of friction plus helix angle. As you can see, pwede nating makancel yung weight. Yan. So, ang formula na ng screw efficiency is equals to tan helix angle all over tan visual angle of friction plus helix angle. So, before we dive sa tatlong formula na ito, we must first find number 1, the mean diameter. Number 2 is helix angle. Number 3 is virtual coefficient of friction. Number 4 is virtual angle of friction. Number 5 is the effort to raise the load. And number 6 is the effort to lower the load. So, kunin muna natin yung mean diameter. Ang formula lang ng mean diameter is equals to diameter minus pitch over 2, wherein ang diameter natin is equals to 100
minus ang pitch natin ay 12 over 2. So, pwede na natin makuha yung mean diameter na 94 mm. So, number 2, helix angle. Yan. To get the helix angle is equals to arctan times this is lead over pi times mean diameter. Ang formula ng lead is number of starts times pitch all over pi mean diameter. Ayan. So we can now solve it. Arctan 2 times 12 pi times 94 is equals to 4.6463 degrees. Yeah. So sa number 3 naman is virtual coefficient of friction. Virtual coefficient of friction. Ang formula ng virtual coefficient of friction is coefficient of friction all over cosine theta equals to 0.15 all over cosine 15 degrees. The answer would be 0.1553. Meron na tayong virtual coefficient of friction. Fourth is virtual angle of friction. Ang virtual angle of friction is arctan times virtual coefficient of friction. So, arctan times 0.1553 is equals to 8.8270 degrees. So, ang next naman natin kukunin is effort to raise the load naman. So, 4 is effort to raise the load. Ang formula ng effort to raise the load is weight times tan times virtual angle of friction plus helix angle. Weight natin is 300 times 10 raised to 3 times tan 8.8270 degrees plus 4.6463 degrees. So, ang ating effort to raise the load is equals to 71,875.79 Newton. Ayan. So, lastly, we must find the effort to lower the load. Ang formula naman ng effort to lower the load is same lang, pero minus 2. $64.63 degrees. So, ang ating effort to lower the load is equals to 21,929.03. So, since meron na tayong mean diameter, helix angle, virtual coefficient of friction, virtual angle of friction, effort to raise the load, and effort to lower the load, we can now solve for torque to raise the load. So in order to solve the torque to raise the load, the formula of it is effort to raise the load times mean diameter all over 2. Ang ating effort to raise the load is 71,875.79 times 94 over 2. So, ang ating torque to raise the load is equals to 3,378,161.92 Newton mm. Or we can say our torque to raise the load is equals to 3,378.16 Newton meter. So, ayan, nakuha na natin yung torque to raise the load. Second is torque to lower the load. Is effort to lower the load times mean diameter all over 2. Nakuha natin kaninang effort to lower the load is equals to 21,929.03 Newton times 94 all over 2. Ang torque to lower the load is equals to 1,030,664.41 Newton mm. Or we can say our torque to lower the load is equals to 1,030.66 Newton meter. So, ayan, meron na tayong torque to lower the load. Lastly, screw efficiency. Ang formula ng screw efficiency is equals to tan alpha all over tan virtual angle of friction plus helix angle. So, tan ang helix angle natin kanina ay 4.6463 degrees all over tan 8.8270 degrees plus 4.6463 degrees is equals to 0.3392, or in percentage our screw efficiency is equals to 33.92%. So, ang ating torque to raise the load is equals to 3,378.16 Newton meter. Our torque to lower the load is equals to 1,030.66 Newton meter. And our screw efficiency is equals to 33.92%.